like it'd be a whole bunch of fuckery going on and shit. 44, hold on, stay on the line, fella. 447, you live.
Yo, what's cracking, yo?
What's cracking?
What's cracking, nigga? That nigga, what's up?
What's up?
I'm on the phone now. Talk that shit to me, like.
Yeah, you on the phone? What's up?
Yeah, what's cracking, nigga? Talk that shit to me. Y'all talking about, what's cracking? What niggas gotta say?
What's cracking? You said we the D-League, nigga. You a D-League rapper.
You crazy as hell, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Ain't none of your niggas got cracked 50 grand on YouTube yet, bruh. Okay,
nigga, we cracked 100,000. You didn't crack nothing, fam. URL did.
Man, whatever. So niggas,
you didn't crack 50,000. URL cracked 50,000.
That's the booty ass league y'all niggas running up there.
You have no league. You're not even a boss, homeboy. You under Block City.
I'm under Block City.
About?
You sound funny as hell, bro. Yo, stop playing me like I'm some little nigga, yo.
What?
Stop playing me like I'm some little nigga, yo.
What you saying, fam? I don't understand.
What you mean you don't understand what I'm saying? Stop playing me like I'm some little nigga, bro.
Stop playing with me like I'm some little nigga.
My nigga, you don't talk right because you don't know what you saying. Stop playing me like I'm some little nigga. Nigga, you know what you talking about? It's either stop playing me like I'm some little nigga like you on some pussy shit, or stop playing me like some little nigga on some rap shit. Nigga, make yourself clear. That's what the fuck he trying to say, my nigga. This shit is rap at the end of the day. Stop that fucking bullshit in between the lines shit, my nigga.
It is rap at the end of the day, but y'all niggas be taking it somewhere else where it don't need to go, bro.
No, yo, my nigga, nobody take that shit nowhere else, my nigga. This shit all been rap. What fucking take you some sensitive ass niggas over there in Jersey? What's in the fucking water, bro? Y'all some sensitive ass niggas. It's about rap at the end of the day. Millennium Elves will kill you. He ain't gonna take you. This is Debo talking to you now. He ain't gonna take you because he'll kill you. Old Red choke. He ain't getting nothing to smack no more. You be lucky if you get something because you been put in the box. You got a big T you weigh yourself out of a casket now. You feel me, fam?
Well, you
only nigga that's rocking is Pauly Surf. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Surf Free Surf. You know what I'm saying? That's who the only nigga. My nigga, respect when respect is due. Ain't no motherfucking D-League here, nigga. We pack venues, my nigga. You wildin'? Have you not seen our last event?
Express money,
D-League. All right, so you a fucking athlete, nigga. Y'all athletes. And yo, my man, and show some respect to your boss. Show some respect to your, my nigga. You ain't gonna out-talk me, my nigga. You ain't gonna out-talk me. Show respect to your boss and go back to Block City, nigga. That'll back to Block City, my nigga. Show some respect to your boss, nigga, who made you.
Listen.
Block City made you, nigga.
Listen,
let him talk. Let him talk.
He ain't gonna, he Express Money ass, fake ass French Montana, he ass. All niggas, all niggas booty, man. Come on, man, y'all niggas used to set your battle rappers up, bro.
My nigga, they all better than you, homeboy. What are you talking about?
So you think you could be AR-16? So you think, Suge, you think you could be AR-16?
I kill all them niggas. And y'all know it.
All right, so let's wait for Surf to get home. You, Surf, Red, and whoever the fuck else that we don't know about in Block City, and we set it up. You know what it is, brother.
We standing on our own two over here. We not nobody holding us up over here.
Yo, my nigga Surf will be home less than 30. We could set it up. You feel me?
That's what it is. Let's set it up.
He'll be home less than 30 days. We can set it up. It is what it is. Like, time niggas talking, man.
But you know what?
This shit, man.
But you know what? No disrespect to you, fam. You're not the one that's going to set it up. Your boss is going to set that up. You feel what I'm saying?
I don't got
Just
no
like
boss.
your boss is going to set that up.
I don't have a boss.
And, yeah, your Block City
boss.
Hazy Rule, your Block City boss. Listen. Your Block City boss, Hazy Rule, which you came from, Block City. Stop fronting like you ain't come from a circuit. You came from Block City. He going to set that up, and you're going to be under his banner, and we going to battle, and we going to kill y'all.
Rolling with us.
What happened? Who?
And my nigga Vici rolling with us.
He's rolling with y'all?
What Vici roll with you?
I don't give a fuck what Vici rolling with, nigga. Fuck that. Like, who is he?
It's all good.
Get that nigga on the line right now. Hold up. Vici, you ear hustling, nigga. You on the line now. What's up? Yeah, quiet, nigga. You on the line, Vici. You ear hustling. What up? Oh, yeah, now the nigga don't want to say nothing. Yeah, that nigga was just on the line right now.
I ain't got no boss, bro. I'm my own motherfucker. I'm my own man. I bust my own.
My nigga, you under Hazy and smacking them, my nigga. We gotta holler at Smack to set up a battle, not you. Let's keep that tall. Let's keep that 200. And for the record, my nigga, Els will wash you, my nigga. You don't want that.
Nigga, yo, you know it, son.
You don't want that, my
like
nigga. Jay Parks will kill you, my nigga. You crazy?
Jay Parks is scared. Jay Parks is scared to come to Black City to battle me. He like, I'm not coming up there.
I know about the situation with Jay Parks. My nigga, that's bullshit, because I know about the situation with Jay Parks, because I was supposed to go ride out there with him. It was going to be me and Jay Parks too deep out there, nigga. But I told the nigga ain't want to take this shit. It ain't about he being scared of you, my nigga. He'll watch you in the battle. Watch you,
come on, man.
My nigga, let me tell you something. You want to keep it tall? My nigga, let's keep it tall, real talk. All the venues that's happening out there, whether it be Block City, WAA, all that shit, they don't be popping out there, my nigga. Jersey's a desert land. I fuck with Jersey niggas. I got Jersey niggas all over there. But the venues don't be popping because niggas be fucking shit up out there, and niggas don't want to go over across that motherfucking bridge to fucking fuck around and have to come all the way back. That's why y'all niggas stay having to come to Manhattan to motherfucking battle, nigga. Hold on, real quick. Before you go, hold on, over here, my nigga. My nigga, don't want to come to North, man. I bet you talking about over here, half your crowd not gonna come. Half the niggas that coming out shit up there, they're not gonna come because they scared, man. We come over. My nigga, everybody know nobody's scared to go to Jersey. Everybody know that. That's bullshit, nigga. I'm in Jersey almost all the fucking time, nigga. We're talking about New Jersey, because you know what I'm saying? We talking about North, New Jersey, bro. No, ain't nobody coming to North. My nigga, East Orange, North, Patterson, it doesn't matter, my nigga. I'm there all the time, my nigga. I wanted to see that motherfucking shit go down in North, man. Yo, Suge, hold on. Bro. My nigga, hold on. We gonna do all that right now. Let me tell you something. Real talk. I want to hear that niggas is scared shit. Nobody's fucking scared. You got a rep just like we got a motherfucking rep. Trust me, our rep is solidified. Throw that shit out the window, because this shit is about battle rap. Stop fucking trying to intimidate niggas. Oh, niggas is scared to come out. My nigga, I jump in my car and stand on your block right now, nigga. By myself. Let's battle over here. Let's battle over here. We tired of coming over there. We tired of paying $8 to come over there. Nobody's going to go over there. No, it's going to be 15 niggas in a basement. That's not fun. We're in the battle basements. That's not seeing you get killed. We're in the battle basements. My nigga, there's only going to be 15. My nigga, real talk. Let me tell you something. With motherfucking King of the Ring, we packed down there 300 motherfuckers in the venue. We go over there, it's going to be 50, 75 niggas. That's going to be no fun. It's going to be a sausage fest. Niggas with niggas on top of niggas. Ain't going to be no bitches there, no nothing. That's why Smack be popping, nigga. That's why fucking King of the Ring be popping. Because it be bitches there fucking ready to rock, ready to see shit. Y'all niggas want to do all this macho shit. Oh, nigga, fuck this about we cool. Fuck all that shit, my nigga. This entertainment, my nigga. Don't fool yourself, my nigga. Real talk. This entertainment is fun as battle rap. I don't give a fuck what type of shit y'all niggas on. Y'all can be pissed, my nigga. Y'all can be pistol popping, ride into the waves. I don't give a fuck. Smack want to make money. At the end of the day, it's about money. And it's about entertaining motherfuckers and getting niggas battling. I want to hear all that other shit you talking. It's about money at the end of the day.
My nigga, you was scared to battle Skull.
I'm scared to battle who?
Skull, nigga.
I'm scared to battle Skull.
How's he on the phone right now, nigga? You duck Skull.
And how did I duck Skull? Fucking bugging out your mind, nigga. I ain't duck no
you
fucking
duck Skull.
My nigga, how's he on the phone? What am I ducking that nigga for?
Because he'll kill you, my nigga. Oh, my nigga, I got a whole roster of niggas to kill you. I niggas 5 niggas right now on top that'll kill you in King of the Ring.
What's wrong with you in battle? Skull Calico. Get the fuck out of here. Nigga, Skull ass. And tell him I said he ass. He can't.
Nigga, Skull body you and Calico together. Y'all don't want to do a 2-on-1.
Shit ass, bro. That shit.
My nigga, have you not noticed? My nigga, have you not noticed? My nigga, have you not noticed? Have you not noticed if it wasn't for Calico, those views wouldn't be up there like it was, my nigga? Out of all those battles, Skull and Hash had the motherfucking best looking battle. Niggas was saying it all over the motherfucking place. And Cortez and Mark, what? All the other joints was like, whatever. Whatever. They just had names on them. That's all they had, nigga. Just names on them. You was jumping out the window, ass nigga. You was jumping out the window, ass nigga, saying all this crazy shit.
He came out on the same stage. Listen, your man Skull came out on the same stage, and I passed his views in a day. What you talking about, man?
My nigga, you battled 10 times on URL already. You battled 10 new niggas.
And niggas like Calico.
Come on, y'all. Come on, man. I'm passing you.
You're not even the main event, nigga. I'm gonna keep that honest, Suge. You alright, but you're not even a main event, nigga. E-Hart, the girls was a main event over you. Like, you're not even a main event, nigga.
No, you got it fucked up. Only reason why we battle early is because Keyshawn had to go back to jail. That's the only reason why we battle early. Because he had a curfew he had to make. That's the only reason. You bugging. He had to go back. He had to go back to the halfway house. That's why we battled early. He had a curfew.
My nigga, I know about Sean having to go back to the halfway house. That's not the only motherfucking reason.
Nigga, are you bugging?
You still couldn't have been the main event.
When me and Calico battle, we had the co-main event. Like, what are you saying?
My nigga, I'm gonna give you some advice. No, hold on, Vig. I'm gonna give you some advice, my nigga. You need to stop riding with these niggas because Arsenal rode in on his high horse, looking like Hulk Hogan, and y'all look like the goons. You and Old Red is number 2. You was number 3, and y'all all got washed. So you gonna see Arsenal never again. You gonna have to get stuck and still battle on URL. Arsenal he used all y'all niggas to make all that fuss and all that commotion. Grape Street, he used all y'all niggas, Jedi mind trick y'all niggas to ride out and make him look good. And y'all got washed. Sway Sever killed Old Red. K-Shine murdered you, put you in a box. Now y'all gotta wait for Smack to call you, cause now y'all gotta wait for Smack to call you and be like, this is who you got. And you gotta take him. You gotta take him.
They gotta wait for Vici to call him.
If you was a real nigga, listen, first of all, if you was a real nigga, you would understand what happened between me and K-Shine in that battle and why it looked like that. If you was a real nigga,
you're right.
Hold on.
You're right. That was some bullshit on the second round when the nigga said that shit.
That was bullshit, bro. You know, niggas, how the fuck you in the middle of that, they gonna ask me if I want to fight? I'm not no fucking punk, nigga. What's up? Nigga, do it out.
You're right.
You're not gonna do that.
You're right. You're 100% right.
Now, you're not gonna make me smell hell. I don't expect the same motherfucking reaction from the crowd. The niggas paid me, man, and you know it. So I want to hear that K-Shine did this. He didn't do shit.
My nigga.
I ain't gonna stop.
He was abusing you before that.
But y'all listen first.
Hold on.
I can take it on the chin like I let the crowd beat me. You feel me? I take it like that. But y'all niggas is buggers. You think I'm my ass, nigga? You crazy as hell. Y'all niggas know I get it in.
My nigga,
all that battling, fighting, if you gonna go battle, go battle.
Y'all fronting. Y'all know I get it in. Y'all fronting now.
Hold on. This is what I'm saying. I don't give a fuck if you get it in. I get it in too. So fucking what? What I'm trying to tell you is that second round, the shit that nigga did. Hold on, you ain't let me speak. No, that second round, that shit that whole shit did, that was some bullshit. But you ain't let me speak. That second round was that.
You did the same shit, bro. You did the same shit. First of all, it was already he was talking shit the whole battle, and then he gonna come out the face like, I like fighting. What's up? We can do. Man, what's up then, nigga? Like I'm not no fucking soft, bro. We does this over here, man.
You did something to that nigga then, my nigga.
What you talking about, man?
You should have jumped on the stage and mollywopped that nigga if that was the case, if that's how you felt.
Niggas right now,
I don't hear nothing.
Bullshit, man. That niggas on.
My nigga, I was on the side over there. I was killing him
before. Yo, I was killing him before the niggas cut me off like that, yo. What you talking about, man?
You really feel that way? My nigga, you really feel that way?
Hold on. Before any of y'all say anything, at the end of the day, my nigga, like I said, you do your shit, but there's 5 niggas I can name that'll kill you in King of the Ring. I'm not saying that you whack or you horrible. You're not horrible, but I got 5 niggas that'll kill you in King of the Ring that I'll put my money on.
I kill them niggas one by one. That's how I'm on it.
My nigga, and then you said Vici's on your side. My nigga. Vici, if you listening, my nigga, don't make me niggas show these niggas the text messages and direct messages, my nigga, that Vici's sending me. He talking about he on your side. Come on, my nigga. My nigga. I'm like 50, man. I got text messages and all that, my nigga. I don't even know why you even mention Vici's name.
You know what? Let's do it the proper way. Let's do it on. We can King of the Ring, Smack. It doesn't matter. Let's do it. Block City versus King of the Ring. Let's have the audience. Let's have the fans have something to talk about. Let's have the fans have something to talk about, and let's get some good battles popping. That's what I'm saying. All that other shit is irrelevant, my nigga. I don't give a fuck how real you are, how you get it. I don't give a fuck about that. I give a fuck about these battles, my nigga. Let's do it.